Imagine having a business that paid you $10,000 a month, you only work part-time, you only work 10 months a year, and best of all, it's built around your passion. I know it sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. There is a catch though. You have to like people, especially kids. You have to be dedicated to customer service. And lastly, you have to always be willing to go above and beyond, which is part of customer service. Okay, what am I talking about? I'm talking about having an after-school program for kids. I am living proof. I was able to have $10,000 a month income running an after-school business program. And here's the best thing. You can build it around your passion. So whether you like music, art, dance, pets, cartoons, coding, video games, baking, Taylor Swift, I swear you can build an after-school program for kids. If it's your passion, I'm confident you can have at least 8 hours of riveting information to share with kids, activities to do. Essentially, imagine running a kid's birthday party for an hour to 90 minutes, 8 weeks in a row. If you can do that around the thing that you most love talking about and doing, you can do this. You can do it. I'm believing you.